Today's book is Llama, Llama and the Bully Goat. Llama, llama, busy day, writing, counting, pictures, clay. Roll a pancake, draw the sun, almost everyone has fun. Time for circles, time for song, time to clap and sing along. Kitty, rhino, sheep and calf, llama, Nelly, and giraffe all sing songs in their own way. Moo and bellow, baa and bray. Llama, llama claps the beat. Gilroy goat just points and bleats. Sheep goes baa and calf goes moo. Gilroy thinks that's silly too. Llama, llama likes to sing. Gilroy laughs at everything. Llama sings out just the same. Gilroy shouts a not nice name. Teacher has some things to say. Calling names is not okay. Being mean is not allowed. Teacher says to stop it now. Time for recess, go outside. Monkey bars and Slippy slides. Nellie's doll makes a road. Fuzzy llama pulls a load. Kids climb up and kids climb down. Everybody runs around. Nellie's dolly wants to dig. Fuzzy drives a great big rig. Gilroy stands in Fuzzy's way. Gilroy, do you want to play? Gilroy bleats and kicks the dirt. He gets sand on Llama's shirt. Gilroy throws some dirt at Nellie. Ha ha, Goonus are really smelly. Gilroy pushes, Fuzzy falls. Ha ha, llamas play with dolls. Gilroy snickers, laughs and kicks. Gilroy tosses toys and sticks. Gilroy stomps on Llama's coat. Gilroy is a bully goat. Gilroy, this is not okay. Stop it or we'll go away. Being bullied is no fun. Walk away and tell someone. Gilroy fusses, frowns and pouts. Gilroy gets a long time out. Teacher says let's try again. Gilroy, can you be a friend? No more kicking, no more names. Try to play a nicer game. End of recess, back inside. Gilroy sits by teacher's side. Everybody sings a song, and this time Gilroy sings along. Gilroy Goat has fun with Llama, but school is over. Here comes Mama. Tomorrow has more games to try. See you then. Friends, wave goodbye. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is when Gilroy becomes nicer. Thank you for reading with me.